English GRE vocabulary. Exercise 15. Synonyms and antonyms. 1. Disingenuous. A. Uncomfortable. B. Eventual. C. Naive. D. Complex. C. Naive is the correct answer. 2. Disinterested. A. Prejudiced. B. Horrendous. C. Affected. D. Arbitrary. A. Prejudiced is the correct answer. 3. Disjointed. A. Satisfied. B. Carved. C. Understood. D. Connected. D. Connected is the correct answer. 4. Disparity. A. Resonance. B. Allocution. C. Relief. D. Difference. D. Difference is the correct answer. 5. Dispassionate. A. Sensual. B. Immoral. C. Inhibited. D. Impartial. D. Impartial is the correct answer. 6. Dispirited. A. Current. B. Dented. C. Drooping. D. Alcoholic. C. Drooping is the correct answer. 7. Dissipate. A. Economize. B. Clean. C. Accept. D. Anticipate. A. Economize is the correct answer. 8. Distant. A. Blot. B. Adjust. C. Exist. D. Materialize. A. Blot is the correct answer. 9. Distrait. A. Clever. B. Industrial. C. Absent-minded. D. Narrow. C. Absent-minded is the correct answer. 10. Divulge. A. Look. B. Refuse. C. Deride. D. Reveal. D. Reveal is the correct answer. 11. Doff. A. Withdraw. B. Take off. C. Remain. D. Control. B. Take off is the correct answer. 12. Dogmatic. A. Benign. B. Canine. C. Impatient. D. Arbitrary. D. Arbitrary is the correct answer. 13. Dotage. A. Senility. B. Silence. C. Sensitivity. D. Interest. A. Senility is the correct answer. 14. Doer. A. Sullen. B. Ornamental. C. Grizzled. D. Lacking speech. A. Sullen is the correct answer. 15. Droll. A. Rotund. B. Amusing. C. Fearsome. D. Tiny. B. Amusing is the correct answer. This concludes exercise number 15. Exercise number 16 would be shared shortly.